Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another git command, that is git reset. So what does git reset do basically is it will reset your current head to the specific state. So in simple words, what basically git reset will do, it will move the repository back to a previous commit, discarding any changes made after that commit. So you can go through the documentation as well. So I'll be showing you this by example. So let's get started. So you can see in my repo, I'm just having one index.php file. So let me show you a log of it. So write git ref log. You can see I'm having one commit till now. So let me create another file, let's say about.php, and just write about in that. And now let's do another commit. So write git add dot, after that write git commit and write one message, let's say about file edit in second commit. So let's add one more file, let's say contact.php. I'm showing you all these commits, so after that I'll reset it to a particular commit so you know how we started and how reset is working exactly. So write git add dot and after that write git commit with message contact file edit in third commit. Now check log, so write git ref log. Here you can see all three commits till now. So now we will be doing reset. So let's say we want to reset to second commit. So for that we will be writing command git reset and commit id. So run this command. So now you can see contact.php is in green now because this one is added in third commit. So it will not be removed, it will be in your local changes. You can again commit that changes. As I have not done hard reset, I have just done the reset, so it will keep the changes but it will just remove that commit. So let me show you in git status, right? Git status, here you can see that contact file is changed, that contact file is added and it's in untracked files. So whatever changes you have done after second commit, all the changes will be in your like unstaged, untracked files. So let's say you did something wrong in your third commit, so you can change, like you can correct it here and then again commit it. So let me run command git log. Here you can see we can only see two commits. So let me just write git log one line. You can see clearly two commits are there. So now let me clear the terminal and now again committed. So write git add dot, after that write git commit and let's say contact file edit again with message. So now I'm going to reset it with hard option. So write command git reset and copy the second commit id, paste and with hard option. So run this command. Now you can see that contact file is removed. In a hard reset, your changes will be undo. So till your second commit, after that third commit or fourth commit, all the changes will be removed. So check git log. Here you can see two commits only. So now let me show you if changes are done in existing file, then how git reset will work. So change in index.php. So right, let's say git beginner tutorial and after that git add dot and commit this change. So write git commit with message, let's say index file updated. Now check log. So here you can see three commits are there. Now let's reset to second commit. So write git reset commit id with hard option. Now you can see in git reset tutorial, after that text is removed. So mostly people get confused between git reset and git revert. So basically git reset remove the changes to that particular commit. Git revert basically remove the specified commit and create a new commit after removing that. while Git reset will not create any new commit. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.